are just after a dinner here in CANGGU. What's the name of the restaurant? Lusa or something like that. They have a nice pizza and well, was having even some people there, like some foreigners and everything. So we're gonna put a little bit of shots because with the loud music, so not really suitable for vlogging. And meanwhile, we're gonna show you how it looks like already at night in CANGGU. It's definitely busier everywhere around. We see some foreigners driving around, not mention about the loud bikes. So yeah, let's see.
Welcome to CANGGU, everyone. Okay guys, so we decided to go to Berawa CANGGU because nowadays Berawa CANGGU is the most busiest, I can say, cities in Bali, because I think that if we compare with other places like say Sanur, Kutao Lagian still quiet. Whenever people first time coming to Bali, they just tend to go to CANGGU. So just like these fellas, no helmet, no everything, big loud bikes. So what I can say that mostly that nowadays people who come to Bali for the youngsters, digital nomad, yogis, and first of all, I think that they are just, you know, going to CANGGU for staying or for living in Bali. You see the traffic behind me is very busy.
So here is the traffic and also some local vendors saying like mi ayam bakso or stuff like this. Here actually used to be the skate park not so long ago, but seems like it's not anymore. There's some restaurant or something like that. There is the park junction, also quite busy I could say, especially right now. Some gelato, new restaurant. Did you see the thunders? Also some new developments. There next to clinic there was the restaurant where we had the dinner, also clinic, so it's really not so bad. Definitely some more improvements. Beautiful boutique, actually very fancy boutique at the front, and this is the gelato place also, and some foreigners also around. So that's how it is. CANGGU live in end of March 2020. Sayang, that's really nice boutique. You wanna go there?
I don't
Probably
know.
expensive lah. This is CANGGU price lah.
Okay, so just like this is how the life in CANGGU. Surfers and everyone is coming to CANGGU whenever they are going to Bali.
Everyone, hello. Is this lady crashed her Mazda, but yeah. Meanwhile, a little bit of the traffic in CANGGU. Check this out. It's quite busy, I could say, especially right now. Really not so bad. It's actually pretty busy. I didn't expect that. So many cafes here. I remember not so long ago was nothing here. Like, not mention about this fancy boutique. And even here is some restaurant over here as well. This guy sitting with the bear, honey, look at me.
I'm just watching the traffic in CANGGU. So busy. You know, just standing here for a few seconds, I can see the traffic is back.
Meanwhile, check this out, the traffic is back, really back. I mean, seriously guys, it's even hard to drive, it seems like, for some reason. So many businesses around also. Well, loud bikes as well. So they are still here. Another boutique, by the way, check this out. Very fancy boutiques here. We are going back to our car. We park somewhere there and check this out. It's really busy. I mean, there are spots when it's quiet, but in general it's very busy. And it's getting to be rainy. So I think for the rest of the video we're gonna drive. Because, well, CANGGU is also not really suitable for walking. As you see, there is no footpath or anything, even like Kuta, for example, or not mention about the Sanur. So, well, but CANGGU was the village not so long ago, now becomes the city, or I mean, well, look like city, but still village, so, yeah. Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, the situation of Saint-Tropez and Fins Beach Club over here as well seems busy, as always. Not so bad, the big party places.
Okay guys, so this is the main street actually in Berawa CANGGU. It's very dark. This is tourist place, but you see on the road that there is no even the street light. It's very dark.
Yeah, but like I mentioned, that's not so long ago. That was just the village and suddenly become the tourist hotspot. called CANGGU, you know, guys. So there was not like preparation for that. That was just grow very quickly, suddenly, just without any planning. Like, but it's the most popular hotspot in Bali right now, the CANGGU. So actually, it's really kind of busy, especially if there's so many foreigners. Also very dark, but yeah.
Yeah, and then I think that the light is only coming from the restaurant, the buildings, and there is no even street light.
Yeah, there is no street light. There is no street lights. All the lights coming only from the businesses. Like here, for example, there is not much, so it's very dark. We are heading into the direction of CANGGU shortcut. Obviously, we are not gonna go to CANGGU shortcut by car, but you know, you got the point where we are. So yeah, so many money changers. It's actually pretty dark here. We're gonna come back to the main Barawa Street. By the way, I don't know if you can see 7:17, and CANGGU situation looks like this, and it's rainy. Alright guys, so as you see, it's super dark and actually so many constructions everywhere around. Anyway, maybe you heard, as of course CANGGU is so popular and everybody are going to CANGGU, especially if you are a young generation of people. But also CANGGU is great opportunity as you're gonna get robbed. I mean, I sound a little bit sarcastic, but there's so many people who trying to snatch your bag, your phone, especially if you are a tourist and you don't know anything about this place. You holding your phone using the navigation or putting on your bike steering wheel or something like that, and then suddenly boom, your phone is gone. That's serious problem here. But maybe you wonder why it's like that if it's so dark. I mean, it's like really like driving through the village. I mean, this is popular hotspot, but anyway, so be careful when you're coming here, especially if you like to party and coming later at night. Now it's only 7 p.m. I imagine you're going around midnight when most of the restaurants are already closed. So that's pretty dangerous stuff. But all right, here is a little bit more brighter because so many restaurants. Also, this is the area of CANGGU station, popular place.
Well, actually, that this area is called a CANGGU club. You see where people playing football, playing sports and everything. Here is CANGGU club, and famous for the sports center for the CANGGU people. And yeah, some also new shop I think on the left side.
Actually, so many new shops over here, just next to CANGGU Square. Exactly. You can get a little bit confused, but yeah.
So dark. There is no even the street light, and all the light coming from the restaurant. So no wonder then, guys, like we read, you know, reports in the CANGGU community Facebook.
Yeah. Anyway, this is the Tamora Square here, and everywhere is just development. All right, guys, we are going home. It's so dark. I don't know what is really hype about in CANGGU. On the beach, it's like, you know, you can clubbing or I don't surfing, something like that. But by the town, I'm not really sure. Maybe just in general, there is the hype. Like long time ago was Kuta, then Seminyak. Now it's CANGGU, and everything is moving into west, northwest. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow on next one. Take care, guys.
Bye.